Hello guys, welcome to the Drive channel. So today we are going to be looking at this boom and crash scalping strategy, and of course I decided to take this trade live so you guys will know that the strategy really works. Okay, so stay tuned, make sure you pay attention to this strategy, because in this video I'm going to give you guys how the strategy works, the rules for the strategy and the settings for the strategy. I'm going to give you guys everything about the strategy. Okay, so let's begin with the settings. Okay, so to set this up, you have to click on this icon you are seeing at the top. So when you click on the icon, the first indicator we are going to be adding is the moving average. So at the way this up, we click on this main chart F plus, search for moving average, and this is the moving average properties. And the period is 10, shift is 1, method is linear weighted, apply to weighted cloth 8/4, the style, use any color of your choice, and click on save. Now to the next indicator, which is the moving average. Now for the moving average, for the second moving average, the period is 50, shift is 1, method is navigated, apply to previous indicators data, and use any style of your choice and click on save. Now to the next indicator, which is the ADX, and we add this up, we click on this main chart F plus. Now for the ADX, the period is 135. Now we only need the D1 and the D plus D1 and minus D1 style. Now use any color of your choice and click on save. Now to the next indicator, which is the envelope. So click on this indicator on the one F plus, search for envelope, and this is the properties. Now the period is 18, shift is 0, the deviation is 0.000, method is inhabited, apply to close. For the upper and lower band, use any color of your choice and click on save. Now for the next indicator, which is the moving average. Now the period is 20, shift is 1, method is inhabited, apply to previous indicators data as well. Use any style of your choice and click on save. So that is the settings we are going to be using for this strategy. Okay, so talking about how the strategy now works. Okay, now take a trade with this strategy. Let's use this recent area as an example for you guys. Now to take a trade with this strategy, the first thing you have to do is that whenever you want to take a trade, you will first wait for the line on your indicator window one. For the green line, which is the green line, is the most important part of the strategy. Now the green line, we have to wait it to cross above the ADX. When you cross above the ADX, which you are seeing right here, you have to cross above the line of the ADX, which is the blue line. When you cross above it, now you have to see it move back inside and cross below the second line, which is the moving average line. You have to cross above it. So everything happens right here. The first thing you want to see the line cross above the ADX, and when you cross above it, you want to see it break below it and also cross above the moving average at the same time. When you see this, then you look at your main chart. What do you want to see in your main chart? You want to see where the first moving average cross below the second one, okay, which happens right here. So after this crosses, we don't just enter your trade. And look at where we enter our trade from. Now we have to leave at least 5 candles before we take any trades. At least 5 candles. I'm talking about all these candles right here. So this candle, this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one. Now I will enter our trade from this candle right here. So that is candle we are going to enter our trade from, and then you target your 20 to 30 candles. Okay, this candles now is 10 candles, so I'm still expecting 10 more candles before I close the position. So let's look for another example, and I'm going to go to crash 500 to look for another example here. Now as I said earlier, the first thing you want to do is that you want to wait for this green line right here to cross below the ADX line, and you cross above it, you want to see it move back inside the ADX and then cross the moving average line, which happens right here as well. So when we see this, the next thing we do is just look into our main chart. When you look into our main chart, you want to see a candle crossing. You're going to see the line cross each other, and the candle crossing this line right here. Okay, when we see this, then this is right here. So we want to see a candle crossing this area right here, this line, and this line also cross each other. So when we see these two things, then we wait for another 5 candles. I'm talking about this candle, this candle, this candle, this candle, and this candle. So after this candle right here, then we enter our trade from this candle right here. So that is the candle we are going to enter our trade from, and that is how we take a trade with this strategy. And this strategy works on all the boom and crash pair, it's including the boom and crash video trade. Okay, so this strategy works on all the pairs. Okay, so let's look for more example, and I'm going to do that on 1000. Now this is another example right here. Now we are going to be using the same rules, okay, for this strategy right here. Now remember, the first thing we want to do, we want to see is the line crossing the index line and also cross and it's also cross below the moving average line. When we see this, which everything happens right here. So when we see this, we look into our main chart. We want to see, first thing we want to see the crosses, and we want to see the candle crossing below. The first thing we want to see is this cross right here, and we want to see candle crossing below it. So after this candle, we enter right at this window. We have to leave 5 candles, then we enter at the next candle. Okay, so that's how we take a trade with this strategy. Okay, so let me give you guys one last example, which is going to be on crash 1000. Now same thing applicable, and we are looking for the same thing, same setup on our indicator window 1, and we are also looking at the same test setup on our main chart. Okay, so remember we enter our trade from the 5th candle. Okay, you can't this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one. Enter right at this candle right here. So that's how we take trade with this strategy. And I hope you guys find this video helpful. If this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on post notification anytime we posting strategy. You guys will be happy. Thank you guys. I will see you in the next video. Bye.